Rajesh and Vimal own 20 hectare and 30 hectares of agricultural land, okay, respectively, which are entirely covered by wheat and mustard crops. The cultivation area of wheat and mustard in the land owned by Vimal are in the ratio of 5:3. Okay. If the total cultivation area of wheat and mustard and the ratio of 11:9, okay, then the ratio of the cultivation area of wheat and mustard in the land owned by Rajesh. Okay. So, see here, Rajesh has 20 acre of land, 20 acre, and Bimal has 30 acre of land, okay, and they are cultivating wheat and mustard. Now, the ratio of wheat and mustard in Rajesh lands is not given, right. The area of the ratio of wheat and mustard, area under wheat and mustard cultivation in the Bimal's land is given as 5:3. So, this is 5:3, okay, correct. And now, if the total both combined total area for the combined land, Rajesh and Bimal both combined, total cultivation area of wheat and mustard and the ratio of 11:9, 11:9. Then the question is, we have to find the cultivation area, ratio of cultivation area of wheat and mustard in the Rajesh land. So, we have to find this basically, right. Okay. Now, what we can do is, we know that total for Bimal total area is 30, right. We can find the land cultivated by Bimal, right. So, here you see Bimal's wheat will be wheat and mustard, wheat will be out of 30, right. This is total is, so it will be 30. So, Bimal's wheat will be 5 into 5/8, right. The ratio is 5:3. So, 5/8 into 30, that will be the wheat, right, correct. And for Bimal, mustard will be how much? Mustard will be 30 into 3/8, right. So, 3/8 into 30, this is the for the mustard, right, for Bimal, okay. This is the mustard, okay. So, so we got for Bimal wheat and mustard area, right, okay. Now, you see total area, total wheat and mustard we can find from here, this ratio, right, both combined. Total area is 20 plus 30, that is 50. So, what is the total wheat area under wheat cultivation? That is 11/20, 11/20 into 11/20 into 50, right. And what is the total area under mustard? That is 11/20, sorry, it will be 9/20, my bad. So, it will be, it is 9/20 into 50, okay. Now, so it will be cancelled, it will be 55 by 2, and this will be again 45/2, okay, 45/2. This is the total area under wheat and mustard. Out of this, total area for under wheat for Bimal is this, and total area for mustard cultivation is this for Bimal. So, we can find the total wheat for area under cultivation for the wheat for Rajesh, right. So, for Rajesh total area under cultivation of wheat will be total area under wheat minus the Bimal's part. So, the total under wheat is 55/2, 55/2, and minus, let us remove the Bimal's part. Bimal is this one, right, 5 into 30, we can cancel by I think 2. So, it is 15, 2 4 ja, right, it is 75/4, right, minus 75/4, LCM is 4, is 2 2 ja 4, 110, 110 minus 75, which will be 35, right? It will be 35 by 4, that is the wheat for area under wheat for Rajesh. Similarly, we can find the mustard one. Total mustard area is area under mustard cultivation is 45 by 2. It is 45 by 2 minus the Bimal's part. Bimal's is this one, right? We can cancel by 2, 15 times 30, this is 4, right? So, 45 by 4 minus 45 by 4. Now, 45 by 2 minus 45 by 4 will be 45 by 4, because 45 by 2 is double of 45 by 4, it is 45 by 4. So, now the question is the ratio of the wheat and mustard in the land owned by Rajesh. So, which is 35 by 4. So, answer will be 35 by 4, okay. It will be 35 by 4 is to 45 by 4. 4 got cancelled, 5 7 ja is to 5 9 ja. So, answer is 7 is to 9, which should be the option 3, 7 is to 9 is the answer, okay. Now, we could have used allegation also, we can do by another way, we can do this question by allegation also. What we could have done is, let us see the allegation method. So, we can also do by allegation. You see here the concentration percentage of area under wheat cultivation is 5 by 8, okay, 5 by 8. Here it is 5 by 8, here we do not know, right, and the overall the area under wheat cultivation is how much? It was 11 is to 9. So, overall it is 11 by 20, okay, it is 11 by 20, okay. Now, let us take difference 20 and 8, 20 and 8 LCM we can do 80, right. So, let us make it 80, right. So, multiplying by 10 I can write it as 50 by 80, and this one I can write multiplying by 4, 44 by 80. Now, we know the allegation difference of these two. So, 44 and 50 difference is 6. So, it will be 6 by 80, 6 by 80, correct, and we know that this gives us the ratio of the weightage. Weightage is what? Weightage will be the total area under total area of Rajesh is to Vimal, and this area we know that 2 is to 3, it is 2 is to 3, right. So, if this is 2 part, this will be 3 part, right. If this is 2 part, this is 3 part. Now, 2 part is 6 by 80. So, 1 part is 3 by 80. So, 3 part will be 9 by 80. So, this will be 9 by 80, right. Now, this is 9 by 80. Now, you see this is 50 by 80, average of these two is 44 by 80, 44 by 80 is less than 50, okay. So, it will be more than this, right, because average lie will be between the smaller number and the bigger number. So, 44 by 80, so this number, the question mark, this unknown number will be less than 44 by 80, and how much? The difference is 9 by 80. So, 44 by 80 minus 9 by 80 will give you how much? It will be 35 by 80, right. So, 35 by 80. So, this number will be 35 by 80, okay. That means, total percentage of land of Rajesh under wheat cultivation is 35 out of 80. So, out of 80, 35 is under wheat cultivation, right. So, wheat cultivation is out of 80 wheat cultivation is 35, okay. So, remaining area under mustard cultivation will be 80 minus 35, 80 minus 35 will be 45. So, it is 45, okay. So, the answer will be you just cancel by 5, 7 is to 9. So, answer is 7 is to 9, okay. I hope this is clear.